Lecture number 31. See now what I have done, मैंने step by step करके bond break किया है. You also remember in the same way. The first step explaining the acidic nature. So the bond breaks between O and H. You too remember in the same method. Same way. ये जो reactions दिए ना, these are not there in the text, but they are very simple reactions. And say on the basis of this reactions ना MCQ में क्वेश्चन क्या आ सकता है कि phenol and carboxylic acid may be distinguished by. Now see, common sense है, like carboxylic acids are more acidic in nature. That means जो भी reactions carboxylic acid give, it's not given by phenol. So these are all the reactions. ये reaction phenol देगा, लेकिन the acidic nature of carboxylic acid is more when compared to phenol. Hence NaHCO3 or Na2CO3 का जो reaction है that is given by carboxylic acid, which is not given by phenol. So this you may have in the MCQ. So this all reactions will help you, and this is a addition reaction. See where you get ammonium salt of carboxylic acid. So the very first type of reactions where I could say that the bond breaks between O and H, explaining the acidic nature of carboxylic acid. The second category of reactions I can say where the bond breaks between C and O, मतलब OH गया. Now these reactions, they are very similar to the reactions of alcohol. If you remember, the only difference is यहाँ पे the product you are getting is एसिड क्लोराइड. वहां पे आपको क्या मिला था, वहां पे अल्कोहल मिला था, राइट. सो यहाँ पे यू विल बी गेटिंग एसिड क्लोराइड. नाउ सो द वे टू बैलेंस द इक्वेशन इज ऑल्सो सेम. एवरीथिंग इज सेम. द ओनली डिफरेंस इज you get the acid chloride here, RCOCl. It is the same reaction with PCl3, PCl5, SOCl2 reacting with एंड अल्कोहल. वो जो रिएक्शन था उसमें आपको एसिड हैलाइड मिला था, इसमें एसिड क्लोराइड मिलेगा. दैट इज द ओनली डिफरेंस. सो वेयर द बॉन्ड ब्रेक्स बिटवीन OH निकला यहाँ पे. ओके, द OH is removed, the OH group is removed here. Simple reaction. Next important reaction, right hand side में formation of a ester. First of all, what is the ester? The ester is represented as RCOOR dash. Purposely I have taken the two groups are different so that it will be very easy for you to understand. Now, in the present, see, the first reaction I have written, it is a reversible reaction. It's a reversible reaction where you are getting a ester. Abhi we are interested in the forward direction reaction. हम backward reaction में we are not interested because we have to prepare ester. So in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, as it acts as a dehydrating agent, it will absorb the water molecule which is formed in the reaction, so the backward reaction can be prevented. So the same reaction, suppose if I write in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, then the backward reaction is prevented. That is called as esterification. Esterification matlab it is the preparation of a ester, a very important reaction I could say, where the bond breaks between carboxylic acid का OH and H from alcohol is removed. I repeat, OH from the carboxylic, H from alcohol is removed. I repeat, OH from carboxylic, H from alcohol is removed. It is not vice versa, and it is proved, and we have the mechanism for the same. In the next lecture we will proceed with the mechanism of esterification. Now when we compare the reactivity of alcohols for the esterification reaction, ये सब आपको MCQs में आ सकता है. So which acid should be selected for which is more reactive in nature? Of course methyl alcohol would be more reactive. Methyl alcohol is greater than primary alcohol, than secondary, than tertiary, because methyl alcohol is more acidic in nature. That is the reason, obviously. Next, when I go for the acidic nature of the carboxylic, so which acid should be selected for the better product of the reaction, for the better esterification reaction? It is of course formic acid is more than acetic, then RCH2COH, then a secondary, than the tertiary. So that is the reactivity of the carboxylic acids. In the next lecture, we proceed with the mechanism of esterification.